Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about UVW's success story, the Trans Mountain Pipeline Construction Project. I am Amit, a consultant representing our company. This project involves expanding the pipeline's capacity from Alberta to British Columbia, which is a significant move that will increase oil transport from 300,000 to 890,000 barrels per day. Significantly, major pipeline projects like this typically takes years and faces many hurdles in approvals, environment assessments, and stakeholder consultations. Now, let us discuss about how is communication and stakeholder engagement is related to this project. Let us consider organizing a community event. A successful event requires understanding various preferences and ensuring that everyone feels heard and involved. Similarly, effective communication and engagement with stakeholders in Trans Mountain project are very crucial. This ensures alignment of interests, increases supports, maintains transparency, which are very important for project success in middle of a diverse stakeholder concerns. Now let us talk about main stakeholders of this project. Beyond the federal government and contractors, stakeholder encompass in indigenous communities, job seekers in energy field, financial institutions, and various regulatory bodies. Each stakeholder group has distinct interests and concerns that need consideration throughout the project lifecycle. Here is the list of main 16 stakeholders of this project. Please have a look. Now let's have a view on stakeholder mapping. I have divided 16 stakeholders according to their power and their level of interest in this project. Before starting division, let us think about a big meeting where different people have different opinions. It's similar to our project where different groups involved have different levels of importance and interest. Understanding differences help us make plans that well for everyone. Even if some groups might not have a lot to say directly, like the Canadian public, their opinions together can still affect the project a lot. It's important to know and handle these differences early for the project to be success. For example, the contractors, labor unions, financial institutions are very important for us because they are having a lot of power as financial institutions is providing fund to us, and they are having very crucial interest in our project because if our project will success, then the contractors will gain profit, financial institutes will gain profit. Like this, the National Energy Board is having high power but low interest because this project particularly is not going to benefit the board, but they are providing us energy, so it is they are having a lot of power. Job seekers in the energy field, like they want to get job in our company, so they are having a huge interest in our company, in our project, but they are having very less power because they are new applicants, they are applying for the job in our company, so they are not having much power. Now let's talk about stakeholder assessment metrics. Understanding stakeholder engagement levels is very important for project success. Let's take a quick look at stakeholder engagement assessment metrics. I have assessed and characterized our stakeholder based on their current and desired engagement level. This concise matrix allows us to grasp the engagement status at the glance. We particularly used the bar graph because it is very easy to analyze, and if we know their current and desired engagement level, uh, then we can use the strategies to involve them or to increase their participation in our project. For example, government authorities, contractors, labor unions, uh, Natural Resource Canada, they are having a high current engagement level, but we want a very high engagement level from them. However, some stakeholders like job seekers, BC clean communities, they are showing a medium level of engagement, but our goal is to elevate their engagement to a higher level. The maritime information system, though engaged at a medium level presently, is aimed to be aligned at a higher engagement level. Our target across the board is to ensure a very high level of engagement, fostering proactive involvement and collaboration. This matrix serves as a compass guiding our strategies to bridge the gap between the current and desired engagement levels. By prioritizing effective communication and tailored engagement approaches, we aim to elevate our stakeholders' involvement for a more successful project. Now let us discuss about adequate actionable engagement plan. Engagement with government authorities requires a collaborative approach involving a regular consultations to ensure compliance with regulations and seek crucial input at key project milestones. For indigenous communities, fostering relationships based on respect, honoring cultural values, and conducting thorough environmental assessment is very important because I was reading a case study of BC Hydro and I get to know that the indigenous people are very concerned about environment. Like if anyone is causing impact detrimental effects to environment, they will protest against them. So, and contractors benefit from transparent relationships with regular meetings for progress updates and avenues for soliciting continuous improvement feedback. Now, let us continue educate engagement plan. Engaging the Canadian public necessitates inclusive and transparent communication approaches such as town hall meetings, social media campaigns, and accessible platforms to address concerns more openly and to gain support. Managing engagement with environment protesters involves factual information, dissemination, open dialogue forums, and genuine efforts to address their concerns. Similarly, forming partnership with shipping industry and labor unions involves addressing logistical changes and negotiating fair labor practices through open communication channels. In conclusion, effective stakeholder engagement is bedrock of success for high-profile projects like Trans Mountain Pipeline. Continuous assessment, transparent communication, adaptable engagement strategies are very crucial to navigate the complexities and varying interests of stakeholders. Building relationships and understanding stakeholder dynamics are key to seamless project management and achieving the desired outcomes. Thank you everyone for your active engagement and recognition of the important role that stakeholder engagement and communication play in driving success with the Trans Mountain Pipeline project. Now the stage is open for discussion and reviews. Thank you.